There we go. Today, Triple M. There we go. It's home, I think, goes to the apps, I assume. One thing that I've noticed is the more button. I don't want a more button, I want to just quickly slide. You know, while I'm driving along, I'll be able to just slide it across, you know.
There's also not a back the other way.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's only two. Rear auxiliary.
Well, this is what I'm talking about with Alex from GM Authorities. It needs to be something more like the Android operating system, where you can slide left and right. You have widgets that are quick access things, you know. I mean, even iOS, the sliding left and right would be useful. Even the leather up here, perforated leather. Leather look like plastic. The airbag sits up here now, rather than sort of coming down. The carbon fiber style plastic. Door buttons.
As long as it's got a beat and it's decent vocals, good guitars and stuff like that. It's real music. Triple M, Triple M.
A parking brake. Power source down there, formerly known as, you know, the cigarette lighter. Australian-made cars can't have a cigarette lighter for legal reasons and for health reasons. Assuming there's one in here. Yes, there's one in there. You can't see it because of the light, but there is one I can see, and the USB connection. Not as big as a Ford Territory. Just some notes thing there. What's in there? Yeah, that's still from the VE, I can tell you that. That's VE there. Nice and big as well. I'm still a mystery to my followers. One thing I was worried about was, will this be uncomfortable? And I'm just sitting in it. It doesn't seem to be uncomfortable just yet. Doesn't, you know, pull on the sensitive area. Really, when you sit down, you don't really feel it. So it's actually quite nice. Some people don't like it, think it's a bit odd. But, you know, it's not uncomfortable, I'll tell you that. Leather's really nice. It's got the red stitching, which gave away it's the fact it's a SSV red line. I might still be an SS, but with this as an option, maybe. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to check out the brakes. They'll definitely give it away. Got some lights on here. Climate control lights aren't on yet because the engine's not on. We don't have a key. I'm tempted to press this, but I think the salesman will get annoyed at me. Chunky steering wheel. I'm sitting back nice and relaxed. I'm roughly 6 foot, give or take a centimetre or two. So 181 centimetres, 180 centimetres or so. 183 I think is the 6 foot. So they're nice and comfortable. Might move the backrest back a little bit just to lean back a bit more. Holden, job well done.
No drink holders in the armrest.
That wasn't on the VE, I don't think, from memory. No.
It's always a cop out. You've got to open the boot.
See right through. Oh my god, now it's a Chevrolet Volt. With its 4 seats. Light at the back, no button for the light at the back. That's something the Ford Territory does have.
Oh, that might be.
I think I've just given away the fact that we have a Ford Territory. Yes, we're traders. Big deal. We used to have a Commodore as well. you ever noticed that these cup holder like covers around the gauges are very in trend now? Mazda have them, Honda I think have them as well. Holden batch. The carbon fibre look has continued onto the steering wheel. I don't think it makes much of a difference on the steering wheel, but like if it was carbon fibre, but you know, still looks nice. Yeah, it's job well done. Very slim sort of cover around the rear view mirror. Doesn't really block your view much, which is good. But I tell you that if that sticker there's left on, I don't think I'll know where I'm going. Hoods up. Yes. One thing I asked my fans on Facebook a while ago was, do you like the Chevrolet SS logo, or would you rather the Commodore or Holden design SSV? And I don't really like the Chevrolet one, but I think particularly because it was Chevrolet, it wasn't a Holden logo. You know, I still kind of want the car, the Holden version, to still keep that Australian sort of heritage. So I don't mind the continuation of this SS logo. Certainly the Chevrolet one looks a bit more modern, but doesn't bother me much. They've got the red stitching along here, perforated leather, gives it a bit of a sporty sort of look, and then you've got the plastic that feels a lot like leather on top. Speaker there, speaker box. That's the sat-nav radial thingy there, the radar. Can't find the head-up display radar, unless it's secretly this maybe. No, that's, I'm pretty sure it's not. Might be though, who knows. Yeah. Tell you, Holden, job well done. No, that's not a Gen F GDS, that's just a poster. Haven't got one yet. 25th anniversary club spot next to us. Kind of looks a bit outdated, but still strong. This is a good car.